Hi guys, so this is my second video and this is sort of my learning journey and I want to start with the next set of problems. Let me just share my screen and I'll work with the next set of prompts. So, so last time we did the raw materials, all the answers are pretty basic here and then with longest common prefix. Hmm, okay. Yes, Karka. Okay, how do I solve this? So maybe I can do something like uh, a string in HTRS. This will give each of this individually. Um, and to go with the two of this, two of this. Um, oh, how is this so easy bounds? Like, why am I? Okay, let me see for S and I'm just gonna go with the character. So, mm, so now I have like F here and then L here, O here. So to compare this with this, with this, avoid this. Where I put this? I can do something like get a list, maybe. List 2 is equal to empty, so I can do something like if character not exists, I mean not exists, I mean SQL, but yeah, character not in list 2, list 2 dot append of character. Let me see like what's the output of this out of list 2. F is there, L is there, O is there, W is there, ER is there. There's no ER. Okay, yeah, first one becomes this is the first line. The thing one of them is in the next one. So I'm gonna roll that. It just doesn't seem right. Answer to this doesn't seem right. So let me go with try with some other method. And what can I do? Okay, well here's what I can do. Is I need to know like subsearch of a string. And that. Yeah, here's what I can do. So I wanna check if F is in all of this. Like if F is in all of this, then I wanna check like FL, if is FL in all of this, and then like is FLO in all of this, and FLOW is in all of this. FLOW is in all of this, FLOW are in all of this. Okay. So what can I do for this? I wanna go with first like I think it's best like if I sort this in an order, like maybe like biggest to smallest. Just what can I do? First thing. So length of string. Let me see how it's based on length of string and list of strings by no, this is function called sorted. Hmm. So, all right. This wants to be like my list here. I don't know how to create like more lists maybe. So list three is equal to starter of HDRS, comma key is equal to length. This is what? I mean, I'll say percentage to that length list three. Okay, I sorted in ascending order, but I want it in descending order. Just descending order. How do I do this with descending order? By the sorted of A, we'll be with this, okay. Can I do like common DSC? Maybe? Like in Python, like in SQL? Okay, no, doesn't take. No, what is fine, like, because just use each to minus one. This will give me the last value. Which will be, I think it will give the biggest value. Like, yeah. Yes, it will be fine. No, let me assign this to something like length of, instead of printing, I can just use n is equal to length of this. Use print. Obviously, this won't work in like big environments, but for me personally, it's good. Now, for I in the range of n, I have this one list and this one. So like, what can I do? If I need to this for STRS and string and list 3 for and range in if string of list 2 I in list 3. List 2 was there. Deleted list 2 with list 2. List 2 and of string up to I. String of list 2. Not one, not this one. This is spoke it was. Hmm. Uh, this loop is like adding everything, like same thing. Damn, what is all this? Find range of m if string of is to I in list 3. I do this like one here. I do this like I string of is to I, not in list 2. So I already know this. No, was let me see, let me analyze like what's happening here. For string in list 3, okay, like that's of the string, also this one, like for I and which is 6. So it's gonna go with string of up to 0, which is like F. F is in list 3, F, good. And then F is not in list 2. First is gonna go with this, is gonna put F there, and then 1 L. FL is in list 3, yeah, and it's not this one. So you should write FL. Why is it like giving only FL OW? First, I in range of N. Kind of. Mm, and the I in range of N, the string of up to I. How about this? But I don't have an I, this one. Just There used to be something called subset of subset in Python. Slicing is always like it's always slicing. Just put me the words and given. But I can do that with for loop. Hey, well, here's what I can do. And then list all with all the characters in this one. So list 4 is empty. But I am saying for string list 3 for character list and string list 4 dot append of character. So this will give me this for now. I'll just delete it. I can do this later. It's gonna be list 4. I think it should give me like all the characters. Oh, sorry, no, sorry. Okay, good. Low, low. Hmm. Okay, maybe I can do like F, yeah, the dictionary of value. This one number value number like character string character string character string character, and then no, that's only gonna complicate things. What else can I do? What else can I do? Okay. At times like this, it's best to if you spent like 20 minutes on a problem, I think it's best to like solve check for solution. So stop the screen sharing for once, like just in case. I'm gonna go to solutions. 3. Something easy to find. No idea what's also from those. So let's picking a friendly. and use it. These are still functions. It's not. Okay, I did find a solution for this, but I don't know. Like, at least the sorting part I did was right. So I'm gonna go with the list of one. So they have something called new. Started first. Go to share this of 0. Okay, okay. Last is equal to extra of 1. So this one is first is right. First is flower, last is flight. Okay. And then why did they sort the list? Okay, okay, let's do same thing. And now sorted. So that will mean this. So actually, the input string is now fly, fly. No, sort function gives it. No, flower, and then light. Okay, this and flower right is uh, first became flow, last became flight. It's good. Then let me see what they're doing. I am saying length of first. So I value is 4. No, I mean, because it's like 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3. Or I can just give 4, like let me count 0 as well. Next. I lesser than length of last. Yes, I is always lesser than that of last. First of I. Z double is equal to last of I. Okay, makes sense. Then new plus is equal to first of I. Okay, first is okay. According to this, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So first of I, which is F. F is good, last of S is good. Uh, L. L is good to last of it. Good. O. No. W. No. Okay, good. So it became FL. Else. Break. I understand. Return. Hmm, wait. Hey, they did the first and last. What about flower? Is it gonna update like not mysterious return empty? We're sorting it. So it's this one, this one, this one. First is for last. First is pushing f of 0, last is pushing s of -1. For I in range length of I get this, I get this, I get this. What the how is this okay? How is this solution like? Not comparing like flower. I hope it fails because I don't understand like how. Hmm, see, okay, okay, let me see like how it works then this one. Abab. Let me see. First just gonna sort it. So it's gonna be A B C A B C A B A B. First is A B A, last is A B A B. It's gonna be 0, 1, 2. So now it compares like A is common in both good, 1 for first position, B is common in both good, A is common in both again good. See, yeah, it's comparing first and last, but it's not. How does it compare A, B, C, like which is in the middle now? And how are these solutions like? How is this a solution? I can do this. Or sometimes let me just copy paste this and submit. Let me see how it goes. Because there's no way like this should work. How is it working? What was the difference? Okay, it was the same. If string of is empty, yes, then return. Okay, now this new sorted first last. Hey, what was the difference between mine and them? This one doesn't work. Basically, it's when I go to this. Okay, maybe the key is len. Was this on a sorted based on length, but I need to understand this. I'm gonna put out like a lot of print statements. Print of str is card over this card. Okay, good. Now so check for car and this car. First is car. I'm just gonna print all the values. And last. Then I who comes up with these solutions, man? Really creative. Okay, print of new. What I should also want to print of first, print of last, and then print of slash n. Car is car, 0. What is it? Square. And first one. Light flower, F, light flower FL, 2, 0, 1. Why the fuck is it not checking for the middle one? My questions. I'm just gonna go with yes, Gemini. So this current length of string yes, current string is question this of I. This seems more like a more plausible solution because it's here I feel like it's only checking life flow flower. Hmm. Let me know. Okay, it's gonna sort based on the values. I mean alphabetically, so it's FLO, W. That's good. IJK, LMNO. Okay, so this became first, then flow, and this is because the sentence is longer, it's gonna go with here. So you just check the first and last. Middle one does not catch. Oops. Solutions. Let me see if anyone has asked the so values options. Which is why I did the same thing last time. Pushing go. Language, okay. Let's go to C double, let's go to say hello. Change the length of string, length is equal to 1. Wow. I don't understand. Sorry. How are people coming up with these solutions? Really? Okay. Anyway, that's the first problem. Let me go to the second problem. Valid parenthesis. So this has this, this has this, this has this. This is this. And do something like for character in this if in character. So I'm still in the last question. And this is in character. This is in S. I'm saying next one about the solutions. This is an S. So we can go with this is an S. And the most basic one I can think of now, not in S. print, or you can just go with the return false. Similarly, if I can just go with this, just change the brackets here. This is what I can do for now. I'm frustrated with the last one. Go with this. As true. I know it's wrong, but what can I do? I don't know the solution for this. What the? What? No, because there's no. This is the solution. So that's not a solution. That's how to get the position free. International Python index. Place index. Index. Nothing between the indexes. Or index of s is equal to not s. Yeah. Index of this character is equal to index of this character. And be in range of I, comma j. Not in s. I mean, s of it. This. I to j. I to j. Yeah. Yeah, so interact this. No idea what I'm doing now, but fuck it. I come a J. Maybe this solution might work. Now what I'm just gonna go to the solution because hmm, yeah, totally forward. Can you stack? Stack's a good one. Stack is just range of s not that. All around length of s. At a place. This instead of I have to write S of I or I double is equal to this. I double is equal to this. Stack dot up and off. Right. Okay. If anything's opening, open the file. Else. So length of stack. And double is 0, then return false. Obviously, if it's empty, return false. Pop is equal to stack of -1. Okay, let's pop this. If I double is equal to opening or okay, if I double is equal to opening and then pop double is equal to closing. If I double okay. If I double is equal to closing and pop double is equal to opening. Stack took the first one to the last. Stack is first in, last out. Okay, yeah, yeah, I understand. Again, same thing. I double is equal to this and pop double is equal to opening and I double is equal to bracket closing and I double is equal to opening. Not I pop. So What's tell? What's the new stack of -1? Return false. Is this proper? Is this a being solution? Hmm. What is output null? Stack is equal to C. Return true. False. False. Awesome. Okay, but that's good, but I just want to check. Okay, something like this. Stack takes this. This. I don't know what. I just want to take this. Okay, first one. Stack puts this inside. What's up? This inside. What's up? This inside. What's up? This inside. Okay. Now, I got stack is opening. Stack open. Okay, stack is opening. So this appended. Else doesn't work. And next word, next one. Opening. L doesn't if else doesn't work. So now it's closing. So L has to go to if else. This one. Length of stack is 2. If it is equal to n is not equal to 0, okay. Pop between -1, which is this one. What was the I? Which is, so now I is this one, and Bob is this one. Else return false. This should return false. I mean, so not this one. This should return false. Okay, yeah, makes sense. As I said, like there's 2 more. I'll come back with more. Thank you.